Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can write a novel using AI. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. So you can see there's this interface open on my screen. What you have to do is click the link in my description box and you will land straight on this software. After that, what you have to do is that you can see there's this dashboard of mine. You have to just click this box, the search box, and you have to write the prompt that you want your book to be about. For example, I want my book to be about beauty or Mars or whatever you want the novel to be. Just write the topic or title that you will choose for your book or the theme of your book. So I'm going to write a book about Mars, write a book about, or I can write a novel about life on Mars, and then I'm just going to click generate, and here you can see that these are the features that are available. So you can see write long form content in seconds, 10,000 free words on free trial, combine multiple copywriting templates, free online AI content writer. So I'm going to click generate and let's see what it generates for us. Once I click generate, you can see that my interface is loading. They are generating a novel for me. Once it's done, I'll come back. So here you can see that they have written a novel for me. They have written the chapters, and this is how you are going to use this few steps in tutorial to write a novel of your own using AI. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also, you can export it from here if you want and share it with others if you want to. And I have already used 1636 words out of 2000. You can use up to 2000. So see you again. Bye.